Hello students, today we will see the topic that is nucleic acid. Okay, from the chapter biomolecule, that is nucleic acid. So before also you all have heard about the nucleic acid. Okay, nucleic acid are what? They are the long chain polymeric molecules. The monomer, that is the repeating unit, is called nucleotide. Okay, so nucleic acid are what? They are the long chain polymeric molecules. Means long chain poly means many. Okay, so there are many molecules which join and they form the nucleic acid. Okay, and the monomer means single unit. Okay, and this monomer are in the repeating units and is called the nucleotide, and hence nucleic acid are referred as polynucleotide. So this is the definition of nucleic acid. Okay, so in earlier classes also you have heard about the nucleic acid, that nucleic acid are of two types, that is the DNA and RNA. Okay, DNA and RNA both are what? They are genetic material, and we all know that the function of genetic material is that what? It transfers the or it inherited the materials or genetic information from one generation to the next generation. Okay, so we all know that the nucleic acid are of two types, that is DNA and RNA. Okay, this is the types of nucleic acid. We will see in detail in the next video. Okay, so we have seen now the definition of nucleic acid. Okay, that nucleic acid are long chain polymeric molecules. The monomer repeating unit is known as nucleotide, and hence nucleic acid are referred as polynucleotide. Now we will see what is the composition of nucleic acid. Okay, in nucleic acid it is composed of three things, that is pentose sugar, okay, second nitrogenous base, and third is that is phosphate group. So these are the composition of nucleic acid. So in pentose sugar what? It is a sugar, pentose sugar, and means 5 membering. Okay, so we all know that there are two types of nucleic acid, that is DNA and RNA. Okay, so this pentose sugar is also of two types, that is it is present in both DNA and RNA. In DNA it is of deoxyribose sugar. Okay, and in RNA it is of ribose sugar. Okay, so in pentose sugar what? There are two types of pentose sugar which is present in DNA and RNA. In DNA it is deoxyribose sugar, and RNA it is of ribose sugar. Second is the nitrogenous base. Nitrogenous base are also of two types, that is purine and pyrimidine. Okay, purine and pyrimidine. Purine are of two types, that is adenine and guanine. These are the types of purine and purine. Okay, adenine and guanine. Pyrimidine are three, that is thymine, cytosine and uracil. These are the types of nitrogenous base, purine and pyrimidine. Purine, that is adenine and guanine. Pyrimidine, that is thymine, cytosine and uracil. In this, there is one difference in this, that is uracil is a nitrogenous base, okay, which is present only in RNA. Okay, it is not present in DNA. And here, what is that? Here, since this is a nitrogenous base, there is base pairing also. Okay, so here adenine, that is we write with capital A, okay, capital G, capital T, thymine, capital C, cytosine, and capital U, that is uracil. So here there is base pairing between this nitrogenous base. So here adenine binds with thymine with double hydrogen bond and cytosine binds with guanine with triple hydrogen bond. This is the base pairing. Okay, base pairing between the nitrogenous base. Okay, adenine with double hydrogen bond with thymine and cytosine with triple hydrogen bond with guanine. So these are the base pairing in this nitrogenous base. Then we will study the structure of the DNA. Okay, double helical. In that we will see how the base pairing is there. Okay. Then this was the nitrogenous base. Now we will see third is that is the phosphate group. That is PO4. This is common in both DNA and RNA. Okay. So these are the composition of nucleic acid. In next video we will see all the structures of this nitrogenous base. Okay, sugar and all that. Thank you.